Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how can we fix the problem that try again later on our Instagram account that we have restrict your account to save our community. First of all, I can show you the problem. So in this case of problem, first of all you have to take a screenshot of this problem like this. First of all, you have to click on your profile and then click on the three lines here and then click on the settings. Now click on the help and then report a problem and then report problem without shaking and then select the second one, and here you have to make a short description like I get the message, try again later, we restrict certain activity to protect our community, error message, please resolve my problem, thank you, and then upload the picture or screenshot of your problem and then click on the send option here. Now you have done it successfully. You have to go back now and then log out your account and then open the settings, and if you have iPhone then you have to click on the iPhone settings here. In case of the Android phone, you have to click on the app management and uninstall your Instagram app like this, and then yes, you have done it. Within a couple of the days your problem will be resolved. That's all for today video. If you have any question related to this topic, then you can leave a comment, like this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide for more information. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.